Welcome to my channel. Today, I'm guiding you through the simple but essential process of setting up two-factor authentication, 2FA, for ChatGPT, one of the best ways to secure your OpenAI account. First, what is 2FA? Essentially, it's an additional layer of security. Once enabled, you'll use a code from an Authenticator app each time you log in, making unauthorized access much harder. Start by logging into ChatGPT. In the top right corner, click on your name and select Settings. In the Settings menu, navigate to the Security tab. Here, you'll see the option to enable multi-factor authentication. Click Enable MFA, and a QR code will appear. Open your Authenticator app and scan this QR code to add your ChatGPT account. In some cases, the form will autofill details like the service name and secret key. If any fields are missing, you can manually set them by adding the service name as ChatGPT and filling in other details. After saving, the app will generate a 6-digit authentication code. Enter that code in the Enter Your One-Time Code field provided and click Continue to complete the setup. Be sure to save the recovery code provided during setup. This can help you regain access if you ever lose your device. Done. You've successfully enhanced your account security with 2FA. Now that 2FA is enabled, let's see it in action. First, log out of your ChatGPT account. On the login page, enter your credentials as usual. Once you do, you'll be prompted to enter a two-factor authentication code. Open your Authenticator app, find the ChatGPT account, and type in the 6-digit code displayed. That's it. You've now experienced the added security of 2FA. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more tech tips.